Is Ally Bank in danger or going under? Is Ally Bank on the brink of collapse? Is your hard-earned money safe? Let's dive into the rumors and facts to uncover the truth. In recent times, concerns have been swirling around Ally Bank's financial stability. As one of the largest online banks in the United States, Ally has garnered a reputation for its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly platform. However, with economic uncertainties and banking industry shifts, it's natural to wonder if Ally Bank is facing potential risks. Understanding Ally Bank's business model. Before we delve into the rumors, let's understand Ally Bank's business model. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks, Ally operates primarily online, which allows it to offer higher interest rates to its customers. It primarily generates revenue through interest income from loans and investments. Addressing the rumors. So, what's fueling these concerns about Ally Bank's stability? Let's debunk some of the common misconceptions. Economic downturns. While economic downturns can impact any financial institution, Ally Bank is well capitalized and has a strong track record of weathering economic storms. The bank's focus on online banking and low overhead costs gives it a competitive advantage in challenging times. Cybersecurity threats. Like any financial institution, Ally is a target for cyber attacks. However, the bank invests heavily in cybersecurity measures to protect its customers' data and funds. In case of a security breach, Ally has robust systems in place to mitigate the impact and restore normalcy. Regulatory changes. The banking industry is subject to various regulations, and changes in these regulations can impact banks' operations. Ally has a dedicated compliance team that monitors regulatory changes and ensures the bank's operations adhere to all applicable laws. Ally Bank's financial strength. To assess a bank's financial health, we can look at several key metrics. Capital adequacy. Ally Bank maintains a strong capital position, which acts as a buffer against potential losses. Asset quality. The bank's loan portfolio is well diversified, reducing the risk of significant losses. Liquidity. Ally has ample liquidity to meet its obligations and withstand unexpected shocks. FDIC insurance. One of the most important factors to consider is FDIC insurance. Ally Bank is a member of the FDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank, per ownership category. This provides a significant level of protection for your savings. While it's natural to have concerns about the financial health of your bank, Ally Bank appears to be in a solid position. Its strong financial fundamentals, commitment to cybersecurity, and FDIC insurance offer reassurance to its customers. However, it's always wise to monitor your bank's financial health and diversify your investments. Stay informed about any significant changes or news related to Ally Bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.